In this video, we're going to discuss Revit accelerated graphics. I know it's been a long time coming, but well, it wouldn't be Autodesk if they didn't take a long time to get you what you finally wanted, right? So in this video, we're going to go into the pros and cons for everything and in between.
Once again, we are back. We are now going to discuss accelerated graphics tech preview. I would say that this is probably one of my favorite features with the new Revit 2026. But you may ask me, what is that? And so I'm going to tell you. So an accelerated graphic tech preview is, a lot of times before when we had 3D renderings, it took a long time, things would disappear, and it slowed your model down. But in this case, they added this to me, which is huge. I wish they would have added it a lot sooner, but we know Autodesk. And it takes some time to get everybody's request in. So finally in 2026, this feature has been acclimated. So as you can see here, I'm in a 2D plan, but this also is in a 3D view. So first and foremost, I'm gonna go to the 3D view first. And as you can see right now, let me get my task manager up. We are gonna go to performance right now so we can track everything. So let's do that. And so while that's up, I am going to now select this so you can kind of see, look at everything, look at the performance, see if it has a spike, see how it's actually performing, why it's actually going on. So for me, I actually like it. I like the fact that I can still move. It's not, and you can tell that, like I said before, if it's like renderings or anything else, it's a really smooth movement. I don't have any slowdown. If I had to do renderings, that would really slow down and bog down this aspect. So that's what I'm going to show you as far as this going on with the performance while this is on. And then I'm going to now pull up also to my floor plan. And let's go ahead and do the same thing. I am going to go ahead and put the tech review on, and I'm going to show my performance. I'm going to show with that being on, see if it's really affected it in any way. It didn't. So if I did have more materials or anything, especially bathrooms or something like that, this would really be more effective. This is just a 2D plan with nothing really showing. But like I said, from a tech performance standpoint, is that you can see that there's not a big difference. You don't see anything out of the ordinary, no spikes or anything else like that. So, which is really good for being able to look at an accelerated graphics tech preview and looking at your stuff and seeing how well it performs. And the fact that I have this up to show you in the task manager performance about this. So I'm really excited about this. And one key note in 3D, if you turn on shadows, it's not actually a part of that just yet. So I'm assuming that they just rolled this out, and at some point shadows will be a part of this in the 3D view. But right now, like I said, just wanted to show this because this is a really big deal. Wanting to put this in there, so this is really cool. So just wanted to cover this because it's really important to have this. It's in 2D and in 3D, so having that and to move around, don't really see it, nothing's disappearing, everything's staying the same while you're moving in 3D. Now let's turn this off right quick, right? Yep, I got you. And when I turn it off, let's see, as you can see, a little bit more stuff moves. You see that how it's kind of like disappearing and things like that. So that's one of the biggest things, to be able to do that and see the big difference, right? Because now if I check this again and I move it, watch and see how it stays the same. This is really important, right? So now do it again, watch. Yep, there you go. Look at that. Now I can actually move with the stuff in, see how it's just, not moving, not staying away. So I love this feature. One of my best features. Glad they put this in. You can look at this at 2D and 3D, but this is perfect. I wanted to go through the example because this to me is one of the best features. Revit 2026. Thank you.